Hi, welcome to my best Mig Welder for home use review. Are you looking for the Mig Welder for home use? We analyzed consumer reviews to find top Mig Welder for home use. This video, we share top 5 Mig Welder for home use on the market. Subscribe our channel and get more info and real-time deal on your favorite product. Let's start. Number 5. Amico 200 amp TIG torch arc stick DC inverter welder dual voltage IGBT welding. The Amico is a rectifier receiving the most exceptional inverter innovation. It can offer more grounded, more thought and more steady circular segment. It implies that it is less demanding to outline into welding machine with different dynamic qualities. And it even can be balanced for the claim to fame to make circular segment milder or harder. The machine can be for multi-utilize, and can weld, carbon steel, copper and other shading metal, and furthermore can use for customary electric welding. Number 4. Best choice products. Mig 130 welding machine set automatic flux core. Best choice products shows the new Mig welding machine, which is an ideal expansion for starting or master welders alike. The potential outcomes of what this machine can weld are perpetual and would suit your auto or home venture welding needs. This welding machine contains all that you will require, including a vale, welding firearm, spool of welding wire, brush, 2 wires, axle connector, and 2 contact tips. Essentially utilize the included brush to clean your metal piece and connect crock cut on metal to stay grounded to guarantee most extreme well-being. Number 3. Lotos technology welding machine. Here is another welder that can serve your purpose appropriately. This welder joins 3 capacities into one with a 200 DC TIG welder, and with the flip of a switch. It can cut different sorts of metal up to 1/2 inch with the 50A pilot circular segment plasma cutting capacity. It is composed particularly for organizations and DIY, do it without anyone else's help, clients, while completely pleasing the requests of expert administrators. Choose this welding machine and see your work accomplished with no stress. Number 2. Forney Easy Weld 299 125 FC Flux Core Welder. The Forney Easy Weld 125 FC is an essential motion center welding machine. A few people call it a MIG machine in spite of the fact that it doesn't require protecting gas like a run-of-the-mill MIG machine does. It likewise may be alluded to as a wire sustain welding machine, but simply comprehend that you can't add gas to this machine. Forney Easy Weld machines are ideal for the tenderfoot welder or the do-it-yourself. With these machines, you can without much of a stretch transform motivation and thoughts into gems. Number 1. SUNGOLDPOWER 200A welding machine. Propelled control module IGBT double 220 volts, enhances the execution of the welding machine. Propelled control module enhances the execution of the welding machine to fulfill different prerequisites of welding. Smaller, versatile, exceedingly compelling, low utilization, power saving, with solid pay capacity, stable welding current. Little size, power saving, and no glamour. Little sprinkling, extraordinary entrance, simple and easy to work and tasteful appearance of weld grease. Material. I'm an icon, man. I'm an icon, man. My girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.